guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Seebiedeebie, and as you can see in the title of this video, we're going to be doing things a little bit different. I usually do reviews and unboxings and stuff like that, but today we're going to be doing a how-to. And it's going to be doing a how to clean your lash extensions. So I love using my Lashify and Falscara lashes, like the under lashes, but time to time you need to clean them because they do get glue on them a lot. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to be doing that in this video. There's going to be a few things that you're going to be needing, which is alcohol. And here I just have, I don't know, just regular alcohol here. And then we're going to be needing some Bounty sheets. So I have a roll of that. And some lint-free. You don't have to have these, but I like to have the lint-free. Just some kind of lint-free stuff because you don't want lint on your eyelashes. So I'm going to show you guys my little setup here that I have. Okay, so these are my lashes that I have separated. These are the Kiss Falscara lashes. I just left them in their regular tray that they come in. These are my Lashify lashes. And then these are my other brand lashes that I buy off Amazon. And I'll have the link down to, I'll have the link on these down below, but these are just so much cheaper than the Falscara lashes and the Lashify lashes, so I buy these as well. But here are your stuff that you're going to be needing, and what I do is I just unscrew the lid and I pour the alcohol right in here, just like this. I fill it up, and then I take one of these, like you can use either one you have, Falscara lash, the Falscara one, or you can also use your Lashify one, whichever one you have out. But I usually put them and I just throw them in there. They're kind of sticky. So like I said, I do one brand at a time. And I just throw them in there like this. Oh, let me zoom in. So I throw them in just like this, and then I stir them around. And stirring them really helps the glue get off. You'll see like little black particles in there. And that's just the glue coming off. So you want to stir it up pretty well. You don't have to put that many in there like I did. You can just do a few at a time, but I do not like to waste my time, so I just throw them all in. And I just stir them up for a few minutes. And once I feel like they are pretty clean, I go ahead and take them out. Like this one still has a few on there. So you can just let them sit in there, and while I'm letting them sit in there, I go ahead and take out some of my lint-free pads. And I'll show you what I do with these. So I'll take out a few lashes there, and I like to dab them because more of that glue falls off. Do you see all those black spots right here? That is more of the glue falling off. And I like to just really get these clean. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the rest of them and do the same thing. If you feel like they still have a lot of glue left on them, you can throw them back in there. But try to separate them as much as you can because they like to stick from the glue. Okay, so I am done with my Lashify lashes, and you can see here how dirty this alcohol water is. And now I'm going to go ahead and throw this alcohol water out, refill the cap, and continue on with the other lashes that I have here. I do one group at a time. And these dry up really fast, really fast. Alcohol dries up really fast. And so while I am waiting on those other ones to get washed up, I like to try to put my Lashify lashes back inside the carton. When I say carton, I mean this little cartridge that they come in. And then I put them back in their little Lashify case, just like this. And I tuck them away. And so let's go ahead and take these out right here. These guys weren't that dirty. I say that, but you never know. But I only wore these once. So I'm going to take a new cotton pad and dab these guys down. So my Lashify ones were really dirty because I wore them a few times. Now onto my Falscara ones. Okay, so let's go ahead and take these Falscara ones out and do the same thing. Okay, so now we are completely done. It's so easy, so simple to clean your eyelashes. Now you can do it on your own. Let me know, drop a note down below if this was helpful for you guys. If so, also give me a thumbs up and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.